today we will start third lesson of civics, constitutional design. In this lesson, we will study about the constitution, features of constitution, why do we need constitution, and we will study about the constituent assembly. As you know, in 8th class also you studied about the constitution. Constitution means set of rules or laws that are accepted by all the people living together in a country. Constitution, that is the supreme law, because it maintain or determine the relation between the people and the government. So now we will study what does a constitution contain. A constitution that generates a degree of trust and coordination that we required for the different type of people to live together. In the constitution, it is mentioned how our government will be constituted or framed, and what are the powers given to the government, what are the powers given to the different organs of the government. It put the limits on the powers of government. It means government has to follow the constitution. Whatever has been written in the constitution, that is followed by the government. In the constitution, fundamental rights of the citizens are also mentioned. So, constitution that has the aspirations of the people to create a good society. Now, what is the reality about the constitution? All the countries of the world, they have constitution. For example, USA, France, India, all the countries, they have their constitution. But it is not necessary the country will be democratic. It means the country may be democratic, may be non-democratic. They have their constitution, but all the countries, they are democratic, have the constitution. After the War of Independence against Great Britain, Americans also framed their constitution. After revolution, French people also, they framed their constitution. So we can say that most of the countries of the world, they have their constitution, and their constitution is written constitution.